Howdy. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. You know, lately we've been having a lot of thunderstorms at nighttime. Kind of makes you just want to cuddle up and get comfortable. Maybe with your favorite comfort food. For me, I like soup for a comfort food. And I'll be honest, I love cheddar cheese, I love broccoli. You put that together in a soup and you have a winning combination. So, I came up with some broccoli cheddar soup. Do you want to see how I made the broccoli cheddar soup? Follow me along in this video. Uh-oh. Sounds like thunder. Scary. Better get busy. Let's go. My God, what did you eat? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.